impressive. That's a turn. She'll be back at it for 50 laps. Side by side. Ladies and gentlemen, the first checkered flag World Series 2020 track. Let's hear it for Adam Briggs as he climbs out. He'll celebrate. Adam Briggs, your winner.
I'm still not over Governor's Cup all the way, but this one kind of makes it easy for it. It means a lot to beat Boyd at his home track. He's always good here, but Travis finished with a good piece. We're always good here, and it finally showed.
Two champions on the front row. Here we go, Jesse and Sammy Smith putting the pressure on. Governor's Cup, we mentioned earlier, and he's going to hit it. Brad May is out of the car, makes some noise for him. He's your winner for the Superlates on opening night.
Great to be able to represent the home track and come out here and run when you've got the best cars in the country, to be able to come out and run with these guys.
Yeah, you know, I felt like we had probably the best car, and I kind of messed up moving Derek because then he got away. But, you know, it was a good battle. I wish could have tried to pass him a little better and was able to stay with Brad. But, you know, congrats to them.
Yeah, man, we had fun. He came over and apologized and said he just didn't mean to get in me like that. And I told him we got even anyways because I got him back. So, but I think we got a really good piece. I probably could have raced with Brad a little bit harder, but I kind of said a couple times, just got too much respect for him to rough him up, you know. So props to those guys, and congrats to Sammy too.
Side by side in three.
I was running, I believe, 4th or 5th with like 15 to go, and then I just flipped the switch. I guess everybody used their stuff up. I had a little more left in the tank.
Here we go, 35 laps for the JNC going into turn 1. Who's going to come out of the smoke? For whatever reason, lap 1 is the Achilles heel after intermission. Here they come. Green flag. Green flag. Strong is, but that'll get the side by side. Ladies and gentlemen, Tank Tucker out of the car. Give him a round of applause, which you already did. I appreciate that.
Yeah, I'll take it. Our car's fast. We're right there. We qualified third. Thought we had it, but the one car took it from us. But they're a good team. Timmy Moore's team's good. We probably got 4 others that come down from up north. They're real good, so it's going to be interesting speed weeks.
Here we go, green flag, and CJ did not get a good start. Laying him down the straight. Track champion number 80. Well, tough. Oh, we got one on fire. Joe Warren's on fire here on pit road. Fire under the hood of the 48. Oh, big fire. Big fire, and he's climbing out. Oh, no, red flag going to come out. Fire under the hood of Warren's number 48. Oh, I wouldn't open that if I were you. And there's the fire suppression systems. Let's see what's going to happen. We're getting ready to go back. So laps are winding down. Zukowski starting to fade into 31. Coming off turn number 4. The final checkered flag of the night will go to Stephen Wright in the 47. Here's the battle for second. And here he comes. Let's hear it for Stephen Wright, your Bomber winner tonight.
Man, I was worried there on the start, but as soon as I got by him, it was clean sailing.
I mean, Jim's always a good driver. He always runs me good. I pinched him a little bit off of 2. I didn't see him coming out of 2. I apologize to him. You know, I don't drive dirty. I don't drive like that. But no hard feelings. But this is the last night for this car. It goes home, and that's it. We'll be back next season in an E-mod.
It's in one piece. The tires are junk. We can't use them again, so we used them up. It's a fun race. A lot of beating, a lot of banging. Good racing.
And thank all the fans that come out and the Hart family for letting us do this.
That's going to do it. I'm going to get out of Jim Jones's way.